So here's how to edit ConvertKit theme pictures. Editing theme pictures on ConvertKit is really easy. All you need to do is follow the steps I'm about to show you. First of all, you need to go to convertkit.com and log into your account. And as you can see, I'm already logged in. Then, click on the Grow tab on the top. After that, you need to go to Landing Pages and Forms. Once you're on this page, you need to click on Create New on the right side. After that, click on Landing Page from the options. So once you're on the Templates page, scroll through and choose the template that you like the most. Once you find the template that you want, click on Choose. After that, you can see there are default pictures on the templates. So in order to edit the theme picture, click on it and then select Edit on the right. You can also select Replace or Delete. For now, I will go with Edit. Now, you can adjust the picture however you want. You can crop it down by dragging the borders. Then, click on Done. Now, if you want to replace the image, click on Replace on the right. Then you can choose any of the stock photos on the bottom. You can also upload your own images if you want. And once you're done, you just need to click on Save on the top right, or you can also choose to publish this page. So that is exactly how you can edit ConvertKit theme pictures. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video if this helps you out.